so my ceiling fan lights will not come on. I got nothing here at the switch. So the first thing you're gonna wanna check is this dimmer switch. Maybe one of your kids or somebody else turned the dimmer switch all the way down. The second thing we're gonna wanna check is the pull chain on the fan itself. I normally only use the switch on the wall. So the other day when my son pulled on the chain and turned it off with the chain, it threw me for a loop and I couldn't figure out why the lights wouldn't come on. I'm also gonna head over here to my circuit breaker panel and see if I've got one tripped. Sometimes when they trip, you'll have to push them all the way off before they can be pushed back on again. So if your lights aren't on yet, you can go ahead and look for a tripped GFCI outlet. On this one, you can see the light is red, so it needs to be reset. Somebody may have wired your lights to be protected by one of these outlets, and this outlet, if they did wire it that way, is most likely in the same room, but it really could be anywhere in your house or in your garage, depending on who wired your house. If you have tried all of the previous steps and none of those work, I would try changing out all 4 bulbs. All right, well, I hope your lights are back on and this video helps, and have a good day.